Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about HUMBL with ticker symbol TSNPD. I'll tell you the latest news related to this company, why is the stock doing what it's doing, where I see it going. This company is being traded on the OTC markets, therefore definitely use a broker who supports OTC, also known as over-the-counter markets. Because not every broker offers services such as OTC. Brokers who don't offer this service are HUMBL and Robinhood. So if you are using one of them, you should definitely find another broker if you are interested in penny stocks. Before I begin talking about the company and its news, I'd like to ask you if you could scroll down a bit and click on the beautiful red subscribe button. It helps the channel a ton, as well as smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Both actions are free but helps me out tremendously. With that being said, let's get into the company. As we can see today, it went down, but now it's recovering very nicely. So I'm just looking forward to what's going to happen by the end of the day. But if we look at the 5 days chart, the company has been going steadily down. From its recent highs, it's down 52% almost, so definitely a solid correction here. So the news I'm going to be talking about is that HUMBL announced Aoria Group Ventures investment and partnership for exclusive Chile country rights. So on March 16, HUMBL announced this news that they have investment that Aoria Group Ventures, a Chilean multifamily office, announced today the signing of a securities purchase agreement for the purchase by Aoria Group of HUMBL common stock and the country rights for Chile for a purchase price of up to $7.5 million. Pursuant to the terms of the purchase agreement, Aoria Group, through an affiliate, agreed to purchase 437.5 thousand shares of HUMBL common stock for $1 million. The payment for these shares is due on or before March 30th, 2021. In addition, Aoria Group also received the right to purchase 1,562,000 additional shares of HUMBL common stock and a 35% equity interest in Chilean subsidiary HUMBL intends to form to conduct its operations in Chile for $6.5 million. Aoria Group's purchase right expires on December 31st of this year, 2021. So just from these numbers, just from these two paragraphs, we can see that HUMBL is making crazy moves, big expansion moves, moves which any big company would love to do, but they just don't have the connections or just the products or services to offer for the other companies or the other firms or groups which they would be interested in. But HUMBL is unique in this, that they have a lot to offer. The agreement provides that if Aoria Group exercises its right to purchase the subsidiary interest, it will receive 35% of the profits from operations of the HUMBL family of products in Chile, including the HUMBL Mobile Division, HUMBL Hubs, HUMBL Marketplace, and HUMBL Financial. In addition, Aoria Group also received a right of first refusal with respect to regional or country right sales in Latin America. HUMBL and Aoria Group are already underway on HUMBL Latin America business development discussions in key verticals such as banking, merchant and financial services, real estate, hospitality, tourism, sports, festivals, entertainment, and ticketing services in the region. At the Aoria Group Ventures, our mission is to find, invest, import, and work together as a partner with disruptive global companies at the forefront of innovation, and HUMBL perfectly represents this vision. We are strongly confident in how this top-tier HUMBL team and technologies will revolutionize multiple industries in Latin America and the world, said Pablo Morales, CEO and director of Aoria Group. We are deeply honored to be represented in Latin America region by such an educated, ethical, and visionary set of partners as the team at Aoria Group, said Foote, CEO of HUMBL. While HUMBL will not be selling the exclusive HUMBL distribution rights to all 195 global countries, we are keenly aware of the rapid scale we can achieve in certain regions through distribution partners. Their working history with brands like Booking Holdings, Airbnb, and Expedia Group gives us great confidence in the road ahead for HUMBL as we enter the Latin America market in the year ahead. The HUMBL and Aoria group teams will be performing investment meetings in the second quarter of 2021 in the Latin America region to discuss further partnerships and rights sales pending to the continued resolution of Rona travel protocols. The two parties will be celebrating their partnership with the blockchain tokenization of several collectible physical assets and NFTs from the region that will be tokenized using the HUMBL token engine and secured by HUMBL Origin's assurance. So that's very good. That's so much good news, and this news is known from yesterday, and the stock market just didn't react to it, or the stock in particular, because the market was going down. Therefore, it doesn't matter what good news they've produced yesterday. So if you check out their Twitter, of course, they are very active here, as well as wishing everyone happy St. Patrick's Day. Therefore, I'll join them as well, and I wish you all a happy St. Patrick's Day as well. So I hope you're enjoying if you are celebrating this day. To yesterday's date, if we check out HUMBL's or TSNPD's market cap, we can see it's about $2.7 billion, and that they have about 887 million unrestricted outstanding shares. So nothing really crazy is happening here. And if we check out StockTwit, we can see there's over 50,000 watchers on this stock, on this penny stock, on this company. Therefore, we can see it's almost as popular as HCMC, which has, I believe, over 70,000, and it's very hyped penny stock, but for good reason. But I would say that TSNPD or HUMBL is kinda undervalued or underrated if you compare it with HCMC. TSNPD is, I would say, way more serious growth stock than HCMC. Of course, HCMC has also products and revenue, and that they have also scalability. However, TSNPD or HUMBL has it way easier and has way better market to penetrate. It's something new, something which will be definitely part of our future, unlike the vapes. But still, HCMC is great if you want to invest in it and just wait until the lawsuit will play out. I'm still bullish on HCMC, and I will also make video if there's some news coming out, but in the meantime I'll be talking about TSNPD or HUMBL. Also, a little bit of update what I found really interesting is that Morgan Stanley becomes first major US bank to offer clients access to Bitcoin funds. That's crazy, even though there have some limits here that it will be only available for people who have at least $2 million in assets held by the bank, or investment firms with at least $5 million at the bank will also be eligible. So that's crazy news to see that one of the biggest, if not the biggest, American bank is turning their face or their page to Bitcoin, is opening their gates, and I would say it was inevitable, and it is inevitable for most of the banks, because you never know when you'll find a new gold, or I'm pretty sure you will be able to make gold in the future, but Bitcoin, it's only limited amount of it, and it's going to be a new digital gold. So what do I think about the future outcome regarding to HUMBL? We can see it's still down 51%, even though it's now 5% up. It's still down, and I don't think that $3 is its accurate price. I would see it at least $4 for the current time being, and it's very conservative, but I think by the end of the year $10 should be quite easy peasy. They have a great progressions, great goals achieved, great team, great executions, great plan, great total addressable market, great niche. I could go on, you get the point. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming videos, as well as smashing the like button really helps me out if you haven't done that so already. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts and opinions regarding this news. Do you think it was a good move by HUMBL? Do you see some red flags about this? Let me know. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.